We have good morning. Good morning in Yoruba is ekaro, 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 or eku oguro, eku oguro. Ekaro is derived from eku oguro. Eku oguro is just a means of just saying like, oh, well done because of this morning. Just trying to greet you that, oh, eku oguro. As this morning has come and then we are living in it. So that's just the basic reason that, oh, well done oh, for this morning. Well done of this morning. That's just it in Yoruba. Eku oguro. And then the same thing goes for afternoon. Good afternoon. The same thing. Ekasan. Morning in Yoruba is òwúrọ̀. Afternoon in Yoruba is ọ̀sán. Night in Yoruba is alẹ́. And then evening in Yoruba is ìrọ̀lẹ́. So now we have just the greetings, like just in English, we have good in the morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. So that's just the same way we have it for Yoruba greetings as well. Ẹ káàárọ̀, that's in the morning, good morning. Ẹ káàsán, that is good afternoon. Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́, that is good evening. And then Ẹ káalẹ́, that is good evening too in Yoruba language. Yoruba actually have Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ and Ẹ káalẹ́. The Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ is also good evening in Yoruba, but Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ is something around like that past around 4 o'clock to around 6:30 p.m. That's when Yoruba say Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́. That is the later part of the afternoon. That's when Yoruba calls their evening. That's what they call their evening. But the other part from 7 p.m., it's not evening anymore for Yoruba, it's night. So Yoruba will say, Ẹ káalẹ́. When they're saying Ẹ káalẹ́ in Yoruba, that means it's already dark. But when they say Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́, that means it's already going towards the dark time, the later part of the afternoon. And then the good afternoon in Yoruba is Ẹ káàsán. And then good morning in Yoruba is Ẹ káàárọ̀. Ẹ káàárọ̀, good morning. Ẹ káàsán, good afternoon. Then Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́, Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́, Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́, which is like around 4:30 for when the sun has set, but it's not yet dark. That's Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́. And then Ẹ káalẹ́, which is good evening in English, which is when the dark has actually set in the night. That's Ẹ káalẹ́. So that's just the greeting in Yoruba. Ẹ káàárọ̀, Ẹ káàsán, Ẹ káalẹ́. So when you see anybody want to greet anybody in the morning, oh, Ẹ káàárọ̀. In the afternoon, oh, Ẹ káàsán. In the evening, Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́. And then the later part of the evening, which is Ẹ káalẹ́. Ẹ káalẹ́. But now there are two parts. I say Ẹ káàárọ̀, Ẹ káàsán, Ẹ káalẹ́. That the Ẹ in Yoruba actually Ẹ in Yoruba actually signifies like respect. But if you are greeting someone that is below you, it's not Ẹ káàárọ̀, it's just káàárọ̀. If it's in the afternoon, it's just káàsán. It's the evening, the evening is kúrọ̀lẹ́. If it's the night, the later part of the evening, it's káalẹ́. But Ẹ káàárọ̀, Ẹ káàsán, of course, you can use it for anybody, but it's just that it signifies respect. But when the elders of the Yoruba people are actually talking to people that are actually below them, maybe the young ones, they don't say Ẹ káàárọ̀, they just say oh, káàárọ̀. You just say káàsán, which is afternoon. You just say kúrọ̀lẹ́, which is evening, and then káalẹ́, which is night. So that's just how they use it in the Yoruba language. Ẹ káàárọ̀, which is for respect. Káàárọ̀, without respect. Ẹ káàsán, with respect. Káàsán, without respect. Kúrọ̀lẹ́, Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́, with respect. Kúrọ̀lẹ́, without respect. Ẹ káalẹ́, with respect. Káalẹ́, without respect. Of course, not as if when you say the one without respect, not as if you are disrespecting the person. It just means that, oh, yeah, you are actually above the person. Yoruba actually take all of respect so much. That's how to greet in Yoruba. Kindly like, share, and subscribe for more about learning the Yoruba language on this channel. Thank you very much.